Everything you own is winding down. Your battery drains, your coffee cools, the whole universe drifts towards stillness. Then scientists built the one thing that never stops: a time crystal. You're watching the quantum verse. You may have seen the headlines: a new phase of matter, motion without energy. People called it perpetual motion, finally real. Most of that is wrong. Start with an ordinary crystal. Salt, diamond, a snowflake. Its atoms lock into a pattern that repeats through space. The same arrangement over and over. Time crystal does that same trick, but in time. Not a pattern repeating across space. A rhythm repeating across time, ticking on its own. The idea came from Frank Wilczek at MIT, a Nobel laureate, in 2012. He asked something wild. Could matter keep moving forever in its lowest energy state? Lowest energy usually means frozen. Still, nothing left to give. Wilczek pictured matter that still moves down there. A clock that ticks with nothing winding it. It was beautiful. It was also, it turned out, impossible. In 2015, two physicists proved a system truly at rest. An equilibrium can never be a time crystal. But there was a loophole. What if you never let it rest? Don't leave the system alone. Keep giving it a rhythmic push again and again. Physicists call that driving. You kick the system on a steady beat, like pushing a child on a swing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here's the twist that stunned people. It doesn't echo your beat. It answers at half your rhythm, moving once for every 2 pushes. A beat you never gave it. That's a discrete time crystal. Drive it at one tempo, and it picks its own, slower one, then it holds it, even when you add noise or get the timing wrong. Normally, kicking a quantum system just cooks it to a hot blur. A trick called many-body localization blocks the heating so the rhythm can survive. In 2017, Norman Yao drew up the blueprint, how to build one and how to spot it. Within months, 2 teams pulled it off. At Maryland, Christopher Monroe's group took a chain of trapped ytterbium ions, kicked the spins, and watched them answer at half the beat. Period doubling. Real. At Harvard, Lukin's group saw the same rhythm in something completely different. Flaws inside a diamond. 2 materials, 1 brand new phase of matter. Then in 2021, Google went further. On 20 qubits of its Sycamore processor, it showed the order holds across the board, a genuine phase running on a quantum computer. So, a thing that moves forever, for free. Surely you can tap it. Plug in, draw a little power, run the world on time crystals. That is the dream. No, and this is the part the headlines skip. You cannot pull a single watt out of a time crystal. Try to take energy, and the rhythm dies. It doesn't break the laws of physics. It obeys them perfectly. It moves without losing energy, but it can never give any away. Not a generator. A new kind of order. And that's what makes it land. Your whole world runs down. Everything you love drifts towards stillness. That's the arrow of time. A time crystal is the first crack in that story. It won't charge your phone, but the same stubbornness that keeps its beat is being chased to protect the fragile memory inside quantum computers, machines aimed at your medicine and your money. So a time crystal isn't free energy, and it isn't science fiction. It's stranger and quieter than both. Proof that matter can hold a perfect beat forever and ask for nothing back. That's the part I keep turning over. We built something that moves forever, yet it can power nothing at all. A breakthrough, or just beautiful. What would you do with it?